All right, there's the cup, the final product. If you guys can see it, beautiful. Look what it did. Actually, nice colors. Everything came out perfect. I'm gonna drink my coffee every morning with this. And the machine worked very well with the cup, but you can use also other items too. It only works with more of the metal and the ceramic. Plastic, I wouldn't recommend you yet until you figure that out, because this might melt through it. So all right, today we're going to bring a tumbler press machine. Let me explain what is included. They give you the instructions. They give you thermal tape, all right? This is thermal tape. And they give you 2 fuses, all right, just in case you burn one out. They give you 2 gloves, sets of gloves, and they have they're coated with silicone, so you could grab anything that's hot, because this machine does get hot. They give you the power adapter, and then they give you X-Acto cutting board, right? So you could cut things out in here. It won't penetrate through your table or anything else. You get damaged. And of course, before you set it up, you plug it in here and you're set to go. But for safety purposes, I always keep this off. If you have children, you don't want them to turn this on automatically, because it's very simple to turn it on. So maybe just unplug it when you're not using, all right? So like I said, power plugs install. Today we're going to use it up, and we're going to use it and see how it works. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. First I drink the coffee, then I do the things.
Yeah. So I'm gonna do 60, 90 seconds rotating the cup.
Hold the button down, no?
No. Should do that with like that. See? I think it makes you do it a long way. Okay.
400 degrees, and we're going to do 90 seconds aside, because we're doing a cup and it has to be rotated in different levels. So let's go ahead and start. So once you hit the timer, you hit it down, the timer automatically starts. If you guys can see that, once you set that up, it just goes. Once we do that, we're going to rotate it back to the other side. Yeah, another 90 seconds. And this is a cup. You don't really have to do this on other cups, only because this one has a handle. So here we are with the other part. We're gonna go ahead and put our gloves on. We're gonna take it off. And to take it off, you just gotta lift it up again, and it turns off. It stays still hot. It stays still hot. It stays into 400 degrees temperature. But if you guys can see the temperature, it starts all over. We're just gonna turn it off right now and keep it, let it cool off. Slide it up right here. There you go. This is the power on and off when you want to turn it off and on. Now, when you set preheat, it starts heating up, all right? It sets a certain temperature. Now, you're going to have to try things out, your mugs, your cups, because the cups, you need to rotate them because the handle doesn't close right, but other things will completely close. Once it hits a certain mark, it starts the timer, all right? That's where the whole system actually starts working. Now, be careful. It's still hot even after you disconnect it, 15-20 minutes max. Make sure for children, you disconnect it from here so it won't be any functions be active, or the heat will be active. Very simple. You set up your timer, you set up your temperatures, and all you got to do to activate it, you close it up, and that's how the whole process starts. Once it beeps, the item is done. Now, like I said, every object you put in here has different temperatures, so you're gonna have to figure that out. So other than that, great machine, doesn't take too much real estate. You can use it anywhere, take it on the go. If you're gonna travel and you wanna take this with you, it's a perfect compact area to do. If you're gonna do hundreds of different mugs or cups, you'll like this thing. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.